This is how to assemble the 800-pound aluminum hand truck. Start with sliding the frame into the toe plate. The bars are taped to the frame to ensure proper placement when sliding into the toe plate. Please leave the tape on until assembly is complete. Next, you're going to mount the axle to the frame. Slide the axle assembly together and hold it in place while you slide the bolts through the frame, followed by the washer, and tighten the nuts. Next, slide the tires onto the axle, followed by the washer and the cotter pin to hold the tires in place. The final step, slide the handle into the frame, followed by the bolts, and tighten the nuts. Now your hand truck is ready to use.